Welcome to a timeless piece of Lindale history. This 1938 beauty sits proudly on a generous corner lot, just blocks from downtown. With nearly 4,000 square feet of character and charm on just under 0.7 acres, this home offers both space and possibility. Step inside to discover two inviting living areas, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or hosting. The large kitchen is designed for gathering, whether it's big family meals or serving guests. Throughout the home, thoughtful built-ins, closets, and nooks provide abundant storage while preserving its vintage appeal. This residence boasts 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, including not one, but 2 primary suites. The oversized downstairs suite is a true retreat with its own living area and the option to be closed off for privacy, ideal for multi-generational living or a private guest space. With its flexible layout, this home is perfectly suited for a bed and breakfast or Airbnb, just steps from Lindale's shops, dining, and downtown fun. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Schedule your private tour today.